Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome here subscribers. It's nice to see you again. Today's video is on another essential oil video. You guys have really liked my doTERRA essential oil videos, and you've given me good feedback and lots of likes and stuff on them, so I can tell that you're interested in essential oils too, which I love because I'm obsessed with them. So I wanted to start a new series on my channel. I'll be unboxing my doTERRA essential oils, but also I wanted to do like my top 5 oils of the month and like how I use them and why I like them type thing, because there's so many oils, it's so overwhelming. There's a lot like written about them and stuff to read about them, but it's just kind of hard. Like you have to kind of do research to know what ones work for you. So maybe these videos will just be really good information for anyone that's wondering about doTERRA essential oils. I'll have everything linked below on how you can get these oils if you're interested. And if you want more videos like this, please like it so I know, and subscribe for more videos. I have more essential oil videos that I'll link underneath for you, and I'll continue to make them as long as you like them. Thank you so much. So let's get into the video. So my top oils of this month, the first one is the Serenity Blend. So I've used up this one full, and I have this one about halfway or 1/4 of the way through, I guess. The smell of this, it smells like a spa pretty much. That's what it smells like to me. So this is the Serenity Blend. It's a blended oil mix, not just a single oil. The smell of it is delicious. Like it literally smells like a smell that you would smell when you go for a spa treatment or something, like lavender, and just like so relaxing and calming. And I'll read to you what is in this blend so that you know. So it says the ingredients are lavender oil, camphor leaf oil, Oderata flower oil, marjoram leaf oil, vetiver root oil, and vanilla fruit extract, and also santalum wood oil. This one is a mixture of several oils, so you don't want to put this one in your water and drink it or anything because it's got a mixture and only certain ones are edible. But this mixture, that's why I love the mixtures of them, because they're so unique and they put them all together in one bottle for you, so you just have it ready to go. I use this every night before bedtime. 2 to 3 drops of this and 2 to 3 drops of lavender in my diffuser. And it just smells delicious and it relaxes me so much. Anytime I'm feeling stressed or just anxious, tired, just not feeling good, like I just don't feel good mentally, I would use an oil like this or a lavender because I just find it really soothing and calming. So I love this and I would repurchase it. I have this one on the go and I have more that I've purchased as well. So I really love the Serenity Blend. It's delicious. My next oil is lavender. This is just a single oil, it's not a mix. This one's all used up as well, as you can see. I've repurchased it already and I love it. Lavender is one of the first essential oils that I got started with. It just has such a soothing, nice, calming smell of lavender, and it's something that really grows on you. I didn't like lavender when I was younger. I didn't find it smelled that good, but now I just love it. And how I like to use this one is, like I said, I use it with the Serenity mixed in, 2 to 3 drops of each in my diffuser every night before bed. I'll use it when I'm feeling stressed and I just want calming. My dogs seem to really like this too. When I put it in the diffuser, it just settles everyone down in the house. Like everyone's really calm and just relaxed, I guess. It just makes a nice atmosphere. I also put 2 drops in my mascara tubes. I have a video on that. I'll link it underneath. But if you put 1 to 2 drops of a lavender essential oil in your mascara tube, your whole tube of mascara smells like lavender, and it helps condition your lashes so that they're longer and more healthy, I guess. I've just noticed more growth and that my lashes are longer than ever since I started using this. And lavender can be antibacterial as well, so it helps to kill off all the nasty stuff that's in your mascara tubes as you use it. Like mascara is something that harbors a lot of bacteria. So I love to use it that way. And I also love to use it in my do-it-yourself scrubs video, which I'll link underneath. I make my own body scrubs with Epsom salts, and lavender is a perfect smell for that because it's very spa-like and soothing. So I love lavender. Next oil is something new that I've discovered and I've really, really liked it. It's called Siberian Fir. It's just a single oil and I've used about half of it, as you can see. I've already repurchased it and I just love, I love this. This literally smells like Christmas. That's what it smells like. It smells like Christmas trees and like fir trees, and something about this just is so relaxing and brings back so many childhood memories for me. When I was younger, I remember like climbing trees and always being in parks and stuff, and it literally just reminds me of that. Like it smells so good. It's delicious. I love it so much. And Siberian Fir, from what I've read on it, is also good for anxiety and calming your mood and just making like a calming serenity kind of atmosphere in your home. But for me, it's even more because it has like good childhood memories associated with it. So I love this, and I'll even mix this with the lavender or the serenity and use it before bed, or I'll use it on its own. Like I just love the smell of it. It's just like Christmas all year round. Like it smells delicious. I love it so much. And I've already repurchased that one because I'm so obsessed with it. Recently, the last few weeks or so, I've just been recovering from like the worst flu that I've ever had in my life. Like severe, crazy flu that I had for like 14 days. And I had all the symptoms and fevers and all that stuff, and it was really brutal. So what I've been using a lot this month is the On Guard blend. This is another blend oil, and you see I've used like probably like almost all, like 3/4 of the way done. And the blend on this, it smells like cinnamon and orange, like cinnamon and orange and like a woodsy smell. And the blend of this one is, let me read here. This one is orange oil, clove, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus oil, and rosemary oil. And this is the one of the ones that is safe to ingest. They put it in all the cleaning products, in the hand soaps and everything like that. And I use this by either putting it in a capsule, 1 or 2 drops, and taking it when I feel like I'm getting sick, or I diffuse it when I come home and try and kill all the bacteria in the air when I'm sick already or I feel something coming on. Or I make a really nice hot drink with this. I'll have a video coming up, but I use 2 drops of this, 2 drops of lemon, natural honey, and hot water. And I'll show you how I make it and stuff in the video, but it's delicious with the honey and the lemon. So I really love this, and I do find that it kills and kind of sanitizes the bacteria in my house, so that even though I was sick during that time for those 2 weeks, my boyfriend didn't get sick and no one else did. So I feel like it kind of sterilizes the house. And I do like the smell of it too. It's very nice, like a nice cinnamon, clove, orange blend. Like it smells delicious as well. And the next thing going along with that being sick for those 2 weeks that I've really used a lot of is oregano. This is how much I've used of it. Let's see. About 1/3 of the way down. So oregano, this is intense. So if you've ever heard of oil of oregano, it's like a natural way to cure a cold. People buy oil of oregano and they either put it under their tongue or in their water. I've always used oil of oregano, but I figured I'd get this, but this is so strong. Like there's no way, unless you're like me, like I can tolerate anything. Like I tried putting a drop or so underneath my tongue of this and I could tolerate it, but I tried doing it on my boyfriend. He did not like it. So what I started doing is putting it in the capsules that doTERRA sells, just 1 or 2 drops. You don't want any more than that. It's so strong in the capsule when you're sick or feeling sick, and it acts just like oil of oregano does in killing bacteria. It's a strong oil in fighting infection and stuff. You can also use it in cooking, like just a drop in your pasta sauce and stuff. But I wouldn't diffuse this because the smell is not nice. It just smells like really strong oregano, like a really strong pizza kind of smell, which is nice. But yeah, don't try and take this under your tongue or in your water unless you really can handle strong oregano taste, because this is like even stronger than any oregano oil I've used. So I really do like this for being sick. So I've used that a lot this month as well. And then the very last oil that I used a lot this month, because it's my top 5 that I have here. Do I have 5 or 6? 1, 2, 3. I have top 6, I guess, this month. So this is lemon. I use it every single day, a drop or 2 in my water to start my day. It gets my metabolism going. It's detoxifying, and it's actually really good for you because unlike just putting lemon in your water, this has the whole lemon peel and everything in it. It's also good for cleaning. It smells so good. It just smells like lemon. But it's just a very fresh smell, and I also love to diffuse this with peppermint and wild orange. And this, like, it's great to mix with different mixtures of lavender, orange, and this, and peppermint. So I love to diffuse it, and I love to have it internally in my water as a detox drink. And I do use it in my On Guard hot drink mix that I'll be making for you guys too. So that's my top 6 oils of the month. I hope this helped you. Some good information about how I use my oils and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend ingesting any oils that are not meant to be ingested. These ones, if you go on the doTERRA site, I'll link everything underneath. It tells you which ones can be ingested and which ones can't. And they actually have like credible sources of that it's safe and stuff. I wouldn't just start ingesting other oils that you don't know what's in them and everything. So I only do the ones that they suggest on the site, and I'm obsessed with doTERRA oils. I order them every month on the LRP program. I'm also a consultant myself, so if you want to sign up to get any oils or you have any questions or concerns or anything, just send me an email with the headline doTERRA oils, and then I'll get back to you that way. But I'll link everything below if you're interested, and if you want me to continue to make these videos for you, just like this video so I know. I think it would be helpful to anyone that already buys doTERRA and anyone that's just likes essential oils. It just gives you uses and also more information about what to buy, how you can use it, and maybe the smells, if those smells you would like, if you like those kind of smells that I do, maybe you like the same ones as me. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll link everything below and how to get these oils. And they also have great customer service. If you're not happy with something, just contact them and they'll likely refund you, or you can send it back and get a refund or credit and all that. But thank you so much for watching. I hope these are helpful instead of just a haul, more information. Thank you. And if you love essential oils, like this video and don't forget to subscribe because there'll be more videos coming. Thank you. Bye.